Hello everyone, it's me, Gabriel. Last time I was solving a Rubik's Cube, so I want to recreate it. I'm gonna solve a Rubik's Cube. But to solve it, I need the first step. I need to make a white cross. So let's see if I can. Okay, letters. There. And I just need this. There. The white cross. Now I'm gonna solve the first layer. Yes, and then this. Okay. Yes, finally, I solved the first layer. And I'm gonna solve the second layer. Yes, I solved the second layer. Now I just need to solve the last layer. I need a yellow cross. There, the yellow cross. Now I just need, oh, wow, that is so rare. Now I just need their corners in the correct position. Oh, there's one here. Okay. Yes. 2 of them are not solved and 2 of them are solved. Also, I am very lazy of solving the corners, so I'll just twist them. Can I do it like this? Now I just need this. And there you are. I solved the Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching.